So in a high heat, we will just heated the oil, which is enough to fry in this amount of onion for 1 kg. It's like around 150 grams of onions. You just need to fry it in the high heat. The heat is high. It's not high. You have to make it high. Yeah, you have to. You should not make it burnt. So you just need to absorb it very well. Yeah, this is cumin. Little bit of cumin, this is dry chili, this is bay leaf, and this is aniseed, pepper, cinnamon. Cinnamon is very less, you can put more. And this is cardamom. So actually you should make the oil heated first. This is a little bit low heat. It will not. So not heated. Oh yeah, now the heat is very high, so it will get burnt now. So immediately you can put the onion. Once the onion gets caramelized, then you can add your chicken. So let it caramelize. You have to be very careful because these cumins and dry spices can be burnt until it is caramelized. This is 1 kg of chicken, which is 32 dirhams, almost 1300 rupees in Nepal. My goodness! And this is garlic powder, which is not necessary because we already have garlic paste here. Garlic paste, and then we have tomato, 3 tomatoes, big tomatoes, and coriander. Chili also you can put it right away, and we have some cumin powder or meat masala. You can use chicken masala. Salt to taste. This is Ajinomoto monosodium. Chili powder. That's it. So at the same time you can just add the chili as per the taste. So we have 1 kg of chicken. So we can just add it later if you want. So I'm just adding a little bit, and also you can add some Ajinomoto so that it will extract some juices from the. Now you can see it's almost caramelized. So now you can add your chicken. Onion is very important to be caramelized very well, otherwise it will give the smell which is not so good. So you can see it's almost all caramelized. Now you can simply add your chicken, and you have to stir it for 10 to 12 minutes until all the juices becomes dry. This will extract some juice out of the chicken. So you have to stir it properly and just let it be there until it gets caramelized as well. Then after that, maybe 10 or 12 minutes, it will get dried and caramelized. You can add your garlic. Yeah, you have to caramelize it because it will smell bad if it is not caramelized and fried properly. And also the most important thing of Nepalese chicken curry with soup, street style, is that you need the chicken with the bone otherwise. And also the best part is the worst part, which is like leg and all those with the skin. It gives you the rich flavor. And also make sure you have to cook it or broil it for like around 25 to 30 minutes after it is done. With some, you can add some water or soup as per your desire. So you can see the juices are coming out. Once it gets dried, you can add your. After like 15 minutes, all the water has oozed out, and then you can see it's almost dried, and these are the remaining leftover oil. So this is dried and caramelized, I guess, a little bit. 15 minutes. So now at this point you can add your ginger garlic paste. Add your ginger garlic paste. At this point you can add all your spices, including your chili, red chili, and also also tomato. Like that, you can just stir it for a while. There are also some chunks of ginger and garlic because everything is not done. So at this point, you can also add all your, this is just a cumin. This is the red chili, so that it will give you the red color. Not much, because there are my friends who doesn't like chili, and turmeric, very important. And also you can just move it around for a while. It should be more dry actually, but I couldn't dry it because this is oil, not the water, so it's fine. So at this moment, if you can see the chicken is almost squeezed. At this point you can also add your tomato. Tomato also helps it make red, gives it typical color, and also you can add your coriander, and you can leave some coriander so that you can sprinkle in the light as a garnish. And also you can add some little bit of lemon, not much. Also you can add little bit of dried red chili to give the color. Also you can add little bit of Ajinomoto, again some salt. Because you have got some, you'll add some water for the soup, so little bit you have to add water, salt more. At last you can add more by tasting, after tasting if it is not enough. And also at this moment you can add some garam masala, which is very important, or meat masala, it's up to you. After this you can stir, mix it well, and close the lid for like 2 minutes so that the tomato will be squeezed. After that you can add water as per your desire and leave it for like 25 minutes or 20 minutes or even 30 minutes sometimes, so that it will give all the gelatin from the bone and the skin. Now you can just close the lid for like 2 minutes. So this is after 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, the tomato has been dissolved almost. So at this point you can add water as per your desire, and also you can add whatever you want, like spices. That's it. And just add some water and leave it for like 25 minutes so that all the gelatin will be leached out of the bone and the skin gets dissolved, so that the soup will become tasty, flavorful, rich. Let's add water. Water as per your requirement, so it should be like this. So this much, so that it will not be completely submerged in the water. And just stir it for a while and then leave it for like 25 minutes. 20 minutes. So this is the final product, Nepalese chicken curry, street style with soup. So 20 minutes and this is the final product. Switch off. I'll just try to taste. If there is some sort of salt, you can add the salt. That's perfect. It's a little bit hot. I don't know, maybe I put a lot of red chili. It's a little bit hot, I feel. Salt a little bit. So the sauce is thick, and also a little bit of Ajinomoto you can add. And also you can add a little bit so for the chili I think we can balance it by a little bit of lemon. You will enjoy tomorrow the spicy Nepalese. Thanks for watching. Let me show you a piece. I think this is from the chicken breast. The worst. Rice with chicken. So this is how you eat Nepali chicken curry with rice. Here we have rice. This is onion if you like, fresh onion I like, chili. So just need to take a small, it's very hot. And this is the gravy or soup, whatever we call it. Chicken with bones, just like that. Divine. Amazing. That's the best chicken in the world for me.